today what I'm going to make for you is a nice delicious makhana bhel. To start with the makhana bhel, I'll be taking 2 cups of makhana. To that I'll add a handful of roasted, preferably unsalted peanuts. Further, I'll add about 2 spoons of tomatoes. We'll add finely chopped onions. I'm going to use a spoonful of onions because I'm not a big fan myself. Then I'll add half a spoon of green chutney, and finally a spoonful of tamarind chutney. Then you'll have to start mixing the makhana, the peanuts, the chutney, the tomatoes, the onions. Once you have mixed all the ingredients together, you can squeeze half a lemon. I usually prefer pink salt because it's much healthier than white salt, since I like my food slightly on the spicier side of things. So I'm going to use some chopped green chilies. So makhana is a great substitute and a healthy one to puffed rice. This Diwali, serve this to all your guests and let them enjoy this lovely, delectable and delicious snack, which is super healthy as well.